You don't need perfect genetics anymore. You don't need to live in Los Angeles. You don't even need to show your real face to become a successful content creator in 2025. The influencer economy just changed completely. AI tools have reached the point where anyone can build a virtual personality, give it a complete backstory, and start generating income within days, not years. This isn't theoretical. Real creators are earning six figures monthly using AI-generated characters that look photorealistic, move naturally, and connect with audiences authentically. The technology behind virtual influencers has evolved beyond expensive motion capture studios and Hollywood-level budgets. Everything can now be done from a laptop using accessible software that costs less than a monthly gym membership. What you're about to see: how to design a unique AI character from scratch, how to control their movements using simple video clips, how to make them promote products convincingly, and most importantly, how to actually monetize this into real income. This is the complete blueprint for building an AI influencer that stands out, captures attention, and generates revenue. Let's begin. Building your character's identity. The biggest mistake new creators make. Trying to build attractive person number 4. Generic beauty doesn't cut through the noise anymore. Successful AI influencers have distinctive features that make people stop scrolling. Unique characteristics that create instant recognition. Visual elements that spark curiosity within 2 seconds. Start with character creation tools that offer granular control. You need platforms that allow customization beyond basic sliders, detailed control over facial structure, skin characteristics, body type, and styling elements. The process begins with fundamental decisions. Human or fantastical character, realistic or stylized rendering, contemporary or futuristic aesthetic, but here's what actually matters: memorable visual hooks. Elements that distinguish your character from thousands of others. Consider features like vitiligo, unique skin patterns that create visual interest, distinctive fashion choices that tell stories, unusual color palettes that grab attention, prosthetic limbs or cybernetic enhancements that suggest backstory. These aren't random aesthetic choices. They're strategic decisions that make your character impossible to scroll past. Generate multiple variations. Test different combinations. The character that performs best isn't necessarily the most conventionally attractive, it's the one people remember. Once you've selected a base character, consistency becomes critical. Modern AI tools allow you to maintain the same face across unlimited scenarios and settings. Generate your character as a child to establish early backstory. Show them in adolescence to suggest character development. Place them in diverse environments to demonstrate personality through context. One effective approach: create a narrative that explains distinctive features. Perhaps your character grew up in Tokyo before moving to New York for university. Their style reflects that cultural fusion. Their experiences shape their perspective. Audiences don't just follow faces, they follow stories. Your character's visual design should suggest depth, a life lived, experiences gained, a perspective worth hearing. Motion control and realistic animation. Having a distinctive character means nothing if they move like a mannequin. Natural movement sells the illusion. Stiff animation destroys credibility instantly. The breakthrough: motion transfer technology. Record yourself or anyone else performing movements, then transfer those exact movements to your AI character frame by frame. This isn't expensive motion capture requiring specialized suits and studios. This is recording video on your phone, uploading it to software, and watching your character replicate those movements with startling accuracy. The key to making this work: exaggerate everything. Human movement translated directly to AI characters often looks subdued. Amplify gestures. Extend pauses. Make expressions more pronounced. When your character delivers a punchline, hold completely still for a beat before continuing. That pause, that moment of silence, is where personality lives. It's where audiences feel like they're interacting with someone real rather than watching animation. Study trending movements and viral dances. These become templates you can replicate instantly with your character. A dance that took hours for human creators to learn and perfect can be transferred to your AI character in minutes. The result? Your character participating in trends immediately, staying culturally relevant without the physical limitations human creators face. But motion transfer isn't just for dancing. It works for conversational gestures, product demonstrations, reaction videos, any movement-based content. Record yourself explaining something with natural hand gestures. Transfer that to your character. Suddenly, they're not just talking, they're communicating the way humans actually communicate, with full body language that reinforces their message. Product placement and monetization. Here's where AI influencers become business assets. Traditional influencer marketing requires coordinating schedules, booking locations, managing teams, and hoping weather cooperates. AI influencers eliminate every single logistical barrier. Your character can promote skincare products in Paris at sunrise, then model streetwear in Tokyo at night, all created from your bedroom in the same afternoon. The process. Take reference footage of someone demonstrating a product. Maybe it's applying moisturizer, unboxing tech, or wearing fashion. Upload that footage and specify, replace the person with your character. Replace the generic product with the branded version. Within minutes, you have professional-grade user-generated content featuring your character authentically using and recommending specific products. Brands pay substantial money for this type of content. Why? Because it converts. Audiences respond to authentic-seeming product demonstrations far more than traditional advertising. And here's the economic advantage. You can produce this content at scale. A human influencer might create 5 sponsored posts monthly. An AI influencer can create 50 because you're not limited by physical availability, travel schedules, or creative burnout. The revenue model. Affiliate marketing through platforms with generous commission structures. You promote products with high margins, supplements, skincare, wellness items, fitness equipment, and earn commission on every sale driven by your content. Smart creators negotiate direct brand deals offering revenue share or flat fees per post. Once your character has proven engagement metrics, consistent views, authentic seeming interaction, audience retention, brands approach you directly. One creator reported generating over $250,000 in revenue within 45 days using an AI monk character promoting holistic wellness products. The character reached 2.5 million followers and accumulated 250 million views by posting consistently and strategically. The mathematics are compelling if your character posts 3 times daily, maintains a 5% engagement rate, and converts even 0.5% of engaged viewers into product purchases with $20 average order value and 50% commission structure. The numbers compound rapidly into substantial monthly income. Scripting for viral success. The harsh truth, realistic rendering matters far less than compelling scripting. An AI character that looks like a wax figure but delivers incredible scripts will outperform a photorealistic character with boring content every single time. What you say determines virality. How your character looks determines initial curiosity. But what keeps audiences watching, engaging, and following is the message itself. Study successful content outside your target platform. If you're posting to Instagram, research viral scripts on TikTok and YouTube. Cross-platform inspiration prevents your content from blending into the feed. Find high-performing content in your niche, wellness, motivation, product reviews, entertainment, and analyze why it resonated. What emotional triggers did it hit? What problem did it solve? What curiosity did it create? Then adapt that framework to your character's voice. Don't copy verbatim. Reframe the core insight through your character's unique perspective and backstory. For wellness content, simple language outperforms complex terminology. Speak as if explaining concepts to a 10-year-old. Audiences scrolling mindlessly need immediate comprehension, not intellectual challenges. Hook formulas that consistently work. The number one solution for problem isn't common answer A, isn't answer B, it's surprising answer C. This pattern creates curiosity by subverting expectations. People stop scrolling to discover what the surprising answer is. Example, the number one habit for mental clarity isn't meditation, isn't exercise, it's controlling what you look at first thing in the morning. Use AI to refine scripts. Feed successful content into language models with instructions. Rewrite this for a character type speaking to target audience about topic. Make language simple. Make the tone desired tone. Keep it under. The output becomes your starting template. Edit for authenticity. Remove phrases that sound artificially generated. Add conversational elements, my friend. Listen, here's what matters. That create intimacy. Voice synthesis and audio quality. Natural-sounding voice synthesis makes or breaks AI influencer credibility. Robotic text-to-speech destroys immersion instantly, regardless of how realistic visuals appear. Modern voice synthesis tools offer extensive customization. Specify age range, accent, tone, pacing, emotional inflection. Generate multiple variations until you find the voice that perfectly matches your character's personality. For an elderly wise character, request slower pacing with warm, contemplative tones. For an energetic young character, increase tempo and add enthusiastic inflection. The technical key: describe voice characteristics in specific detail. Elderly Asian American speaking with light, friendly, contemplative tone produces dramatically different results than simply requesting old person voice. Once you've generated satisfactory voice synthesis, maintain consistency across all content. Audiences develop subconscious expectations. Changing your character's voice randomly destroys the parasocial relationship you're building. Editing and platform optimization. Minimal editing outperforms overproduction for AI influencer content. The goal isn't cinematic polish, it's authentic feeling. Import your animated character clip. Add auto-generated captions with slight stylistic customization, subtle outlines, contrasting colors, nothing distracting. That's it. Post it. Over-editing suggests you're trying too hard. Audiences subconsciously trust content that feels spontaneous and authentic over content that looks professionally produced. Platform-specific optimization matters. Instagram prefers 9:16 vertical format. TikTok rewards 4-5-second hooks. YouTube Shorts tolerate slightly longer setups. But the universal rule: hook within 2 seconds or lose the viewer. Your character needs immediate visual impact or immediate verbal intrigue. Test relentlessly. Post 3 times daily minimum. Analyze which content performs best. Double down on winning formats. The opportunity window. AI influencer marketing isn't future speculation. It's current reality generating real revenue for creators who act now. The technology has reached accessibility and quality thresholds that make this viable for anyone willing to commit consistent effort. You don't need expensive equipment, technical expertise, or existing audience. You need character concept with distinctive visual hooks, compelling scripts addressing specific audience needs, consistent posting schedule, strategic product promotion. Execute that formula and income follows predictably. The opportunity window won't stay this wide. As more creators enter the space, standing out becomes harder. The characters launched now, while the market is relatively uncrowded, have structural advantages that compound over time. First movers build audiences before saturation. They establish brand relationships before competition intensifies. They refine their processes while others are still figuring out basics. Start building your character today. Test different concepts. Find what resonates. Scale what works. The creator economy just changed fundamentally. AI removed every traditional barrier to entry. What remains is pure execution. Ready to build your own AI influencer? The tools exist. The monetization pathways are proven. The only missing element is your action. Comment below. What type of character would you create? What niche would you target? Subscribe for continued coverage of AI creator tools and monetization strategies. The future of content creation is here. Will you build it or watch others profit from it? Thanks for watching.